Understanding Drone Geofencing, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating and increasingly important topic in the world of drones: drone geofencing. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, a tech lover, or just curious, this video will clarify what drone geofencing is and why it's crucial in our skies. Let's get started. Geofencing, in its essence, is a virtual perimeter set around a real-world geographical area. When we talk about drone geofencing, we refer to software tools that create invisible boundaries in the sky. These boundaries prevent drones from flying into restricted zones, such as airports, government properties, or other sensitive areas. It's like an invisible fence that helps in navigating drones safely and responsibly. Drone geofencing works through a combination of technologies. The drone's GPS coordinates are continuously compared against a database of no-fly zones. If a drone approaches a restricted area, the geofencing system can automatically take action. This might include sending a warning to the operator, forcing the drone to hover, or even making the drone return to a safe location. It's a smart way to ensure drones don't wander where they shouldn't. Drone geofencing isn't just about rules. It's about safety and privacy. By preventing drones from flying over sensitive areas, geofencing helps in protecting air traffic. Keeping drones away from airports and flight paths reduces the risk of collisions. Safeguarding sensitive areas. Military bases, government buildings, and power plants are safe from unauthorized drone surveillance. Respecting privacy. It helps in maintaining the privacy of individuals by keeping drones away from residential areas. As drone technology evolves, so does geofencing. We are moving towards more dynamic and sophisticated systems. Future geofencing could adapt in real time to temporary restrictions, like major events or emergencies. The goal is to integrate drones smoothly into our airspace, ensuring they are used in ways that are safe, respectful, and beneficial for everyone. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of drone geofencing and its significance in modern aviation and security. Drones are an exciting part of our future, and with tools like geofencing, we can ensure they are used in harmony with our safety and privacy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.